Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a homemade version of Hamburger Helper Skillet Lasagna. To start off the recipe, I will start browning up 1 pound of ground beef. Now that the beef has been partially browned up, I'll go ahead and add in 1 cup of a diced onion and 2 cloves of garlic. After about 5 minutes, the beef is cooked all the way through and the onions have started to soften up, I'll be adding in 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 20 ounces of marinara. I'm using a homemade today, but you can certainly use a 20-ounce jar of your favorite store-bought marinara sauce. Next in is 2 cups of water and 8 ounces of pasta. Once those are all stirred together, I've done my best to help submerge the pasta underneath all of the liquid. And I'll be covering it and allowing it to simmer here on the stove for 15 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. Now that my pasta is tender, I've gone ahead and started dolloping 1 cup of ricotta cheese around the pan. And finally, I'll be topping it off with 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Be popping the lid back on and allowing this to continue to cook for about 2 minutes or until the cheese is melted. I've topped off the skillet lasagna with just a little bit of fresh basil, and I'll be serving it alongside some garlic bread. And now all I have to do is dive in and try it out. This definitely reminds me of a Hamburger Helper skillet lasagna. All the flavors are very similar, though I think these taste a lot better than you get out of the box. Overall, the seasoning is really well balanced. The noodles are perfectly cooked. The only thing I will say is this is just a little bit loose, like it's got a little bit too much water in it. But I think it's going to tighten up as it sets, especially in the refrigerator overnight. And that could be because I used a homemade marinara and I tend to make mine a little bit on the looser side. Overall, though, really good flavor and something I will definitely make again when I'm in the mood for a quick lasagna. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.